Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the GetInLight LED under cabinet lighting kit. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. The box is made from recycled material. I really like that. The lighting kit comes with 3 under-cabinet lights, 2 linking cords, 2 end-to-end connector, brackets, double-side tape, a dimmer switch and a power cord. The dimmer switch works pretty good and it's very easy to connect the lights. You can use the linking cord or the end-to-end connector to connect the under-cabinet lights. You can install the lights with screws or with adhesive tapes. The lights are very easy to install and they look really nice. I tested the under-cabinet lighting for a couple of days and I think it's a very good product. It's very easy to install and it looks pretty good. So if you are looking for an under-cabinet lighting kit for your home or office, I would recommend the GetInLight LED under-cabinet lighting kit. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.